Good morning, everybody. It is a chilly day here camping, and I'm getting tired of my black tank saying that it's full. So I did a little research on some different ways to make it, to clean it out. And one of the things is I don't want to have to go outside or drag a hose in or anything like that to clean it out. And I want it to clean all the corners. So I found this swivel stick thing that you can get on Amazon. What I didn't like about it was that you got to go outside. So we're gonna put together a way here that you don't have to. And all you need to do this is the swivel stick itself, and you need just a piece of hose. I just cut off a piece of one of my old hoses. Now this is a 1/2 inch hose. Most hoses are 3/4. So when you buy this piece, the adapter, you're going to just make sure that you have the right end here. I do a 1/2 inch, and then you'll need this. This is a 3/4 to 1/2 inch coupler. I'll link these in the description. But it's a real simple process, and then I'll show you how it works and everything like that. The first thing you need to do is we're just going to take this coupler and we're going to put it into your hose. Now, if your hose is fighting with you to get it in, just get a little hot water on there and make it more pliable. There, that should go in a little easier. And just keep on twisting and pushing that in until it's in there. I'll fast forward through this. There we go. I think that's in there pretty good. It's in there, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch, and if it seems that it doesn't want to stay, I'll just get one of those O-clamps and squeeze it on. So that's the first part. The second part's pretty easy too. We're just going to go over to our bathroom over here, and you can kind of see where this is going already, I hope. But I'm going to hook this part up to my swivel stick, and I'm going to take this part, I'm going to hook it up to this end, and then I'm just going to use the shower over here in the bathroom. So let's go to the bathroom here and I'll show you how to hook it up. Okay, so for the next part, we're just going to take this little connector and put it onto the shower. And this is what's going to make it so we don't have to go outside and drag a hose through our camper. So those of you who own this particular model know that there's no windows that can be completely open. So I'm going to put this on here and take my little piece of hose and just hook it up right to the shower. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this part and put it on the swivel stick. Hook it up there. Try not to beat my camera person up. I already have my tank open outside, so when I push this down through here and it spins around, it's going to spin around and just go right out. So any debris that's left over in there is going to just go right out. So then the way you use this is you're just going to take this stick and you push it down in. There's lots of different ways you can do it. I'm in the bottom, and I'm just gonna turn this on so that it starts spinning. Now you can hold that open, or you can have something else hold it open or whatever. I'm just gonna let it flush while it does this. So now you just go up and down, and the swivel stick is spinning. Like you can hear it spinning there. And that's cleaning out your tank. When you're done, you take it out and you clean it all up and you're good to go. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful in making it so you don't have to go outside to clean your poop tank and get rid of that tank full thing all the time. Good luck.